our showground at Don Amott Leisure we have a nice 2015 Chausson Welcome 728 EB. This is built on a Ford 2.2 litre 130 brake horsepower engine with cab air conditioning. This Chausson has large garage storage under the bed, handy for those larger items you may want to take away with you on your breaks. And you will see that this motor really is in excellent condition with plenty on board. It comes with a Truma heating. We've got blinds and fly screens to all the windows. We have a nice lounge space with adjustable table. This can seat 4 to 5 people comfortably, and this seating does actually turn it into a single bed for guests. It is a 6-speed manual gearbox, and we have steering wheel controls there and cab air conditioning. Comes with the silver screens, and we have over cab storage, nice opening sunroof and a USB port. Plenty of locker storage, and we have a nice offside L-shaped kitchen, fully equipped with a duplex Thetford combination oven and grill. Soft close drawers, more drawers to the end here, and we have covers over the 3 gas hob and sink. This comes with the drainer, so you've got plenty of space for preparing those family meals. The lockers to the kitchen have the cream front finish, making this separate to the lounge area. Opposite the kitchen, to the near side, we have a full-size fridge freezer, so that can get stocked up on those longer trips. We've got a TV point and bracket located here that slides out, and further handy storage. A sliding door takes you through to the rear of the motorhome, and this has a centre washroom with mirror over, tumbler, soap dish, a couple of cabinets at the top, and one to the underneath the sink. Plenty of storage for the bathroom equipment for everybody. A roller shutter door is on the separates the toilet facility. Again, corner shelving and more cupboard storage. And you have a separate shower cubicle, so this can become a midship washroom, accessible from either side of the motorhome, but that can also be screened off to turn this into an ensuite bathroom for the rear bedroom. We have a fantastic island bed to the rear bedroom with his and hers wardrobes, and we have a turbo vent here, so this motor is handy for all weathers, and I do believe there is a TV point here serving the bedroom area if needs be. This is a super motorhome with everything on board, in good condition, travelling 4 and sleeping 3. If you'd like to have a further demonstration or find out more, please do get in touch with us here at Don Amott Leisure, or call and speak to any of our sales team. Thank you.